Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add, track, and manage assets for your organization. On the left menu, go to Resources and click on Manage Assets. Here, the Asset Manager can see all the assets that have been added. If they want to track a specific asset, they can click on that asset to view the asset log, activities, asset type, ownership type, unit cost, and current status. The status clearly shows whether the asset is available, in use, rented, or owned by the organization, all in one place. To add a new asset, click on Add New. You can create an individual asset, or if you want to upload all your organization's assets, owned or rented at once, you can do a bulk upload. For bulk upload, download the template provided, fill in all asset details, and upload the file. Now, let me show you how to create an individual asset. Enter the asset name and select the category. For every asset, a QR code will be generated automatically. You can download this QR code and place it on your tools or equipment. You can add a description for the asset and choose the asset type, whether it is an individual asset or a bulk asset. If it is a bulk asset, enter the quantity. You can also specify whether the asset is owned or rented. If it is rented, enter the contractor name and the cost. And choose whether the cost is hourly, daily, or monthly. You can also enter the inception date, attach an image of the asset, and add any notes if required. Once all details are added, click Create. Now, you can see all your assets listed in one place. Using the Action button, you can edit the asset, download the QR code, or delete the asset. When assets are transferred, the site engineer can scan the QR code and update how much was received and who received it. You can filter assets based on status, asset type, and ownership type, and you can also search assets by name. Next, go to the Asset Requests section. Here, the Asset Manager can see all asset requests coming from different projects. You can view the status of each request, such as in transit, issued, returned, declined, or return requested. You can also filter requests based on their status. Once a request is received, the Asset Manager can either approve or decline it. If approved, the asset status will change to in transit. After the asset is issued, the Asset Manager can initiate a request for return. Once this is done, the site engineer will receive a notification email to proceed. The asset list also shows the current location of each asset, whether it is in the warehouse or at a project site. If the asset has been returned, the Asset Manager can manually click Mark as Returned. And the status will be updated to Returned, making the asset available again. If the Asset Manager directly issues an asset without approving the request first, the status will be shown as Direct Issue. In this case, approval is skipped, and the site engineer can directly mark the asset as received. The Asset Manager can also initiate returns for directly issued assets. This way, you can track all asset movements, including requests, returns, in-transit assets, and direct issues. That's all in this video on how to manage assets for your organization. Thank you.